Hi, this is Bennett Tchaikovsky, and this is a very brief video about how to go through and to use the study guides, homework packets for financial and managerial accounting. So if you're either registered for one of my classes or if you've received these packages from me, what you're going to find is that the way I really like to teach accounting is basically through homework packets. I'm not a really huge, I don't like the accounting textbooks for a variety of reasons, mainly for the lower division classes. They make something simple into something more difficult. So the first thing you're going to go through over here and see is you're going to basically see video solutions for every single one of the questions that are in the homework packet. You will also go down over here and see basically Google Sheets question only, Google Sheets questions with solutions. And so if I click on this Google Sheet questions with solutions, where it's going to take me is going to be right over here. And this is going to basically show me for every single one of the questions that's in the homework packet, it is going to give you the solution, right? I'm a huge believer in providing you the solutions. And why do I provide you? Because I need you to practice. The way you're going to learn accounting is by getting out blank sheets of paper, writing down the solution. You can either print out my homework packets or you can use blank sheets of paper, but the key is writing it down. And just so you can kind of really understand why that is so important, I did a video recently that you can kind of see, and I'll put it in the link below, but just let's take a look at that real quick. So this is a video that I did, and I'll put this in the link below, but if you don't physically write it out, what's going to happen is that it's not going to sink in. You have to physically write out the solutions. And you'll basically see that, what happens in your later accounting classes and what happens to your success in this course is that if you cannot go through and write it out, that's how you learn how to do accounting. It's a skill. It is very different than other classes. This class takes a long time. So here, this is why I'm really kind of going over here to you and providing the solution so you can kind of go over and see this all the way through. Now, on these different sheets that are right over here, you will also find a link to a video solution. So if I come over here and I click on, hey, at least it's an LLC and not something crazy, right? Okay, so right over here. So there's a video solution for every question, right? So in terms of how you kind of choose to go through and study the material, right? Whatever way you want to go through and study it, the way I would recommend going through and doing it is you take these questions here, you practice writing them out, or you can even copy the solutions, right? So copy the solutions first, and then go back and do those questions again, right? So the key is the practice and repetition. And when you see transactions like this, LI purchased equipment for $3,000 cash, if you have practiced this, you're going to know almost immediately, well, I'm going to debit equipment and credit cash. But the only way you're really going to kind of see how that actually works is by going through and working with the T accounts. So again, I cannot share with you the importance of going through and practicing. And that's really what these guidebooks and these workbooks are here to go through and do. So for every single, so the key ones here is that you will see the Google Sheet questions with solutions. That's what you want to go through and click on. These are all different video links to all the different questions, but those are also included in the Google link questions with solutions. When you're on the Google Sheet questions with solutions, you will only have viewing access. I don't grant you full access, but you will be able to see what the solutions are. And again, don't use AutoPen, don't use an auto pencil, don't use a stylus. you want to physically write it out. And it's really because when you go and take an exam in person, that's what you're going to be doing on the test. So by writing out the solutions to the homework multiple times, right? It's the practice, practice, practice. It's going to really pay off for you. And again, this is what is so important about learning accounting is the practice. And that's really what's behind these different Google, basically these different workbooks that I've created to help you learn how to do accounting. So in any event, thank you for being with me here today. I look forward to seeing you on future videos. Have a great day and have a good one.